Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to explain the atomic number of an element. First of all, what does atomic number means? It means that the protons are present. We all know that in nucleus there are protons and neutrons. It is the number of protons that present in an atom. If we say the number of protons present in this nucleus is the atomic number of a atom. Atomic number is basically the number of protons of an atom which determine the atomic number, that is represented by Z, alphabetical letter Z. We all know that the nucleus is consist of the protons and neutrons. There are protons plus neutrons, that means that is the mass number, and if we take out the protons, the number of protons, it will say that it is a atomic number. It will define the atomic number. All of atoms element have the same atomic number. In fact, elements are defined by the number of protons. And for example, if we take the hydrogen atom, that is the atomic number is 1. It represent by Z. Z is equal to 1, and Z is equal to 1, that means the hydrogen atoms consist of number of protons is 1. So we can say that the atomic number of hydrogen atom is also 1. Okay. Now if we take another example, that atomic number is 6 for the carbon atom, that also means that number of protons present in a carbon atom is 6. It is the number of protons present in an atom is 6. That is the atomic number. And if we say the mass number, what is the mass number? The mass number is defined the total number of protons or neutrons present inside the nucleus of an atom. If we say that an atom consists of a nucleus and the mass is totally consist of which part? The nucleus, and nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. If we take the total number of protons and the neutrons, that is called the mass number. If we consider both the numbers of protons and the number of neutrons, it will say that the element is considered as a mass number. If we sum both the number of protons and neutrons, that is also called the nucleons. If for example mass of an carbon is 12U, 12U is that the mass of an carbon consists of 6 proton plus 6 neutron. If we say the mass number of another atom like phosphorus, we all know that the atomic number of a phosphorus is 15, and the mass number of a phosphorus is 31. It means that the number of protons is 15 and the number of neutrons is 16. The total number of protons and the neutrons is defined as for the mass number of an element. This defines the mass number of an element. Now the representation of the mass number and the atomic number is represented by this level. First of all, we will write the symbol of an element. Then on the superscript, we will write here the mass number of an element, and in the subscript, we will write the atomic number of an element. In today's video, we will only see about the atomic number and mass number. In next video, we will talk about the isotopes of an element. Thanks for watching.